the customer came to us because there was plastic in his packaging for his product, and he did not want to go on this way. We created a very innovative packaging for that customers, and he was so happy with it. Our industry decreases its carbon footprint from nearly 27% in 5 years. And in our own company, we decreased our carbon footprint from 50% for 10 years. This is a very motivating industry for me, for board, because we push the carbon footprint down. First, there are many women, so I'm happy because tonight when we received the award, there were only 2 women on the stage, so I'm very happy there are so many young designers as women interested by our words in packaging. I think it's a big hope for our industry.